Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. We're glad to have you. If you are returning first, second, third time, thanks for coming back. Now, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go on and hit the button. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We would love to have you. There's plenty of room for you over here. So, while you're in the general vicinity, why don't you just go ahead and hit that notification bell. So that way, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is loaded. Okay? Now, the reason for our video on today is unboxing time, and y'all know, if for no other reason, the packaging on this one is just amazing to me, and because they look out for us, they let everybody know it's fragile. Handle this package with care, and this is our Yes, Oh Yes package for the month of November 2018. So let's just jump right in and see what's in the package. So for those of you who are not familiar with Yes, Oh Yes, this is a $14.99 monthly beauty subscription. Now, it could be anywhere from 3 to 7 items included each month. I know you're sitting here going 3 to 7, what is that about? But the reason is because it depends on the weight, how many packages or items you get inside. This month's package was very tightly fit, and it's kind of heavy too. We're gonna jump right in and see what's in here. Now, their description card I love, because in addition to it giving you our theme for the month, which just so happens to be Yes, Oh Yes, Girls Can. Alright? But on the back, it lists each and every item with the manufacturer's suggested retail price and the total value of this month's package. It's already there. You don't have to do all that extra adding and stuff like that. That stuff doesn't bother me. But for some, you don't want to have to go through that. So let's go ahead and see what's here. This is Sormy Treatment Cosmetics. Okay, and this is a brow lift highlighting pencil. Never heard of such a thing, but okay, that's a little bright for me. Oh yeah, no, that's a lot bright for me. Okay, when swatching that, here's the color. That is quite bright. I would have to put that on and then put something else over top of it to kind of tone it down some. However, that is to kind of pronounce your brows a little bit more. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $22. We're going to have to do something later on with this so we can check it out and see what it really does indeed look like, okay? So then we'll move on to the next product, which happens to be by the company Mirabella, okay? And the packaging is really cute. Right off the bat, it says glow, okay? And then when you raise it up a little bit, it says swirling color, radiant skin. Okay, and okay, look, we are so on a highlighter binge, I'm gonna say, this month, because this is the packaging. I don't know if it's gonna let me. Okay, it's not really letting you see the true color of this, but let's bend it down a little. There we go, right there. There we go. That's the color of this highlighter. So I really don't want to mess up this print on here. Okay, I love y'all enough to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it and see what it turns out to be. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes. Check out that glow. Woohoo. And this is not even wet at all. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. This is my chocolate girl friendly. Okay. So we're going to put that one to the side, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on $42. That glow is worth the $42, y'all. Come on. Okay, and then we are down to the last product. You know what? This is something I've never, ever owned. This is by the company Aesthetica. Okay. We have, I have some brushes that I've gotten from this company before. Now, this packaging is nice, y'all. That's really nice. How about that? And on the back, it gives you a couple lipstick looks. So, of course, you now know this is a lip palette. And on the cover, it says Contour Series Lip it says Contour Series, and this is the lip palette in the series. So as we pull it out, it gives us let me tell you something. When you have a company that really wants to make sure you showcase their products properly, that's all right with me. They've shown everything from an ombre lip. Look at this. Shows you how to create the ombre lip, to the many endless possibilities for the lip looks. How about that? Beautiful, right? Okay, now let's take a look at the actual palette itself. It's sealed very nicely in here. Okay, here's the cover. And when we open it up, it does have a magnetic closure. Okay, this shows you how to create the lip look. It does have a mirror. Okay, and here is the actual palette. Look at that. Now, this says it actually comes with a lip brush and 2 liners. Let's see what color the lip. Okay, I stand corrected. It is not 2 liners. These are double-ended liners. Look at this. Okay, you ready? On the other side. Okay. And this right here is swag. Okay, I have swatched the lip liners for you. Right here. This is called Stalker. Right here. Is that better? This one, the pink one, the very bright pink one, is called Party Girl. The next one is called Bombshell. And the last one is called Swag. Right there on the top. Okay, those are the colors of the lip liners that are included. Then it does have its own, here's the lip brush. Very pointed, very nice. This is a beautiful palette, a lip palette. This is the very first lip palette I've ever owned. Well, I do have a travel one, but it didn't come by itself. It had other, palettes included in it. So, okay. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on the Aesthetica Lip Contour Kit palette is $45. The total value for this month's Girls Can Yes, Oh Yes package, $145. Okay? And with that, we got this gorgeous lip palette. We got this beautiful Mirabelle highlight. We received the crown brush. We also received the brow highlight. Okay. And we also received the Beauty Creation liquid highlighter. So our Yes Oh Yes package this month, jam-packed once again. And this is what that package consisted of. So, if you check the description box below, you will see a link to Yes Oh Yes. Consider becoming a part of the Yes Oh Yes family, okay? For $14.99 plus shipping. Consider that. Now, as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Now, if you liked what you saw, by all means, hit the thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. Let us know how you feel about this month's package. Until next time.